got my pencil. What?
You're late for tutoring session again. Why?
I had to get my pencil.
I don't want to hear any more of your wild stories. Just tell me the truth.
The truth? Here it goes. I was on my way to see you. I was gonna be there on time. I went to get my pencil and then I realized it wasn't there. So I went back to my room to get it. The door was locked. There it was, laying there. So I decided to use my Jedi mind trick. Here it goes. Yes! I am the man, I am the man. No. What is that? No, it can't be. Help me. It is! Black Iron Monkey! But I was ready for it. We fought. It was an intense battle. Where do you think you're going? Come back here. Whoop. DDT. He fell to the ground. He was dead. And I am.
Do you really expect me to believe that? That's the craziest shit I've ever heard.
But it's the truth. I barely beat Black Iron Monkey. It was battle to the death. To the death.